I'm speaking on behalf of a group of countries. We are deeply concerned about the serious human rights violations against the indigenous people in Canada. Historically, Canada robbed the indigenous people of their land, killed them, and eradicated their culture. The entire world was shocked to learn recent discovery of the remains of over 200 indigenous children at a Canadian boarding school. Between the 1830s and 1990s, over 150,000 indigenous children in Canada were reported to have been forcibly taken away from their parents. At least 4,000 children died of disease, neglect, accidents, or abuse while at school. We call for a thorough and impartial investigation into all cases where crimes were committed against the indigenous people, especially the children. We are deeply concerned about discrimination against migrants in Canada and inhumane treatment of them in Canadian detention centres. We are also deeply concerned over the illegal killings of civilians by Canadian overseas military servicemen and systemic racial discrimination, xenophobia, Islamophobia within Canada. We urge Canada to immediately stop violations of human rights and call on the Human Rights Council, the OHCHR, and relevant special procedures to keep following the human rights issues in Canada.